What up? Welcome back to Mo the Driver, ladies and gentlemen. Back in here. So, I've been gone for a little bit. You guys haven't seen the car out in the street. Well, check it out. The car is in pieces. I've been working on this for like a month. So, I don't really care to be speedy or to get it done in a hurry. But this is what's happening. The car is in parts and pieces. I got tools galore everywhere. So, if you haven't seen the car out, you haven't seen me out, that's why. No YouTube videos. This is what it is. I was gonna make videos of doing all this, but I'm not very good at mechanic work as it is. So doing mechanic work and trying to film, not a good idea. So it's better off that I just do the mechanic work. So much left to do. But we're gonna run nines, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna run nines. We're gonna go fast as hell everywhere. And we're gonna have fun with it. So bear with me. Let me finish up the car and we'll be in the 900 horsepower range to the wheels. So it'll be interesting. Stay with me. I'll be back.